as I was moving, loose. What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to work on the truck. We're going to take the diff casing off. We're going to jack the back up, put the jack stands on, take the diff casing off, and see what's going on under the rear. Hoping it's not the biggest thing. So let's get started. All right, guys, we just jacked up the rear. Right like this. And I think he said the 13 millimeter. And Steve, you are right. Of course. So we're going to put a drain pan on there, take this off, and see what's going on. I guess this drain plug. Yep. We're jacked up because I do have to I do have to test this all out and stuff. Not the day I wanted to do. It's very hot out. It's not hot out right this second, but we're gonna get started, take it off, and we'll see what's going on. I'm holding this in one hand. A couple of these already popped a little bit loose. No, this diff has never been taken apart, but that's loose in my hand. As you guys can see, basically, I gotta take all these off. Drain pan's here. We'll take a look. All right, guys, all the bolts are out. Now we're gonna take this off. I don't know how easily it comes off. It probably is on there pretty good. So, but here's the casing. All the bolts are off. They came out pretty easily. It was nothing hard, not too crazy. Probably gonna have to get a screwdriver or something, pry this open with. All right, guys, we took the casing off. I'm gonna show you in here. Look in here. Yes, the teeth on my limited slip are chipped away, and here, as I was moving, loose. Down here, I think it was loose a little bit. Loose. This is the limited slip. The gears, so from here, look good. So I'm hoping I just need a limited slip, and that's it. I'm gonna talk to my guy and show him this video. And yeah. So obviously this is a limited slip. Pretty sure it's just the gears. You can see the teeth chipped off. This is moving. I'm hoping that's all we need. I'm gonna talk to him and see what he says. And from where I'm looking at, everything looks good on my my gears. So let's hope that's all I need. I mean, yeah, it sucks, but might as well get it done now, right? All right, well, yeah, it was basically the worst possible thing that could happen, but it's okay. We're gonna get a new LSD, new gears, new everything, rebuild it, make it stronger. We're looking into also aftermarket right now after talking to my guy Steve, my mechanic, and we'll get it up and running in no time. I kind of had a feeling it was a limited slip because last year on a bunch of videos, I even showed Jay, my tuner, and I was like, I'm having a one-wheel peel sometimes. And that's when he was like, your limited slip's starting to go. And then for a while after that, it was okay. It was, it started doing two-wheel peel, back to working, and then a couple other videos after at the track, it would do the same thing. And this was before the slicks. This was on radials and even sometimes street tires. But this thing has been down the track over 200 times. This thing has been raced since, I think, 2015. I don't think I raced it. I think I raced the bone stock also, so I did race it in 2014. But yeah, this has been, you know, wear and tear, 74,000 miles on it, beatings, launchings, and 4,000 stall, really giving this thing hell. So we're going to look into, you know, a stronger rear, a stronger limited slip. We're going to stick with 321s because we're four-wheel drive, and my 321s are great top end. I have great top end with my 321s. The only gearing I would consider going to would be 355s. I don't want 392s because a lot of guys are having, like, they're not ending up in the right gear at the end of the track. 355s keeps you in 5th. 392s puts you in the 6th, and you're shifting at the end of the track. I don't want to do that. My 321s keep me in 5th, and they're perfect. And I like them, and they're great highway gears, and they get great mile an hour. So that's where we're going to go. We're going to get it all fixed up, get the rear. We're going to try to do this as fast as possible. Today's Sunday, so we can't really, do too much ordering parts from a Dodge deal. We're probably going to get the gears from Dodge. If you guys have any, opinions or whatever, or, cheaper routes than that, or if you guys know anything stronger, put in the comments. Let me know. I will consider everything right now because this is just, it sucks. But you know what I mean. As I showed you, the tooth are chipped off in the LSD. It's the friggin' spider gearing, and the top gear's loose. Everything's loose. So we'll get it fixed up. We'll get it up and running in no time. But at least we got the new car for now. This will get us back and forth to work, and everything's gonna go from there. But like I said, it sucks. But like I said, always comes back stronger. Trans went. We got a trans with only friggin' 3,000 miles on it. That thing's running great. And the humming sound was obviously just wear and tear and just taking a beating from everything that's been going on. The wheel hop might have even had something to do with this. I don't know, but I don't want to just say it did, but it may have. It will, the day it wheel hopped and sheared the transmission, it might have did that more. But we don't know. We don't know exactly, but it's been going on for a year, or going on for a long time. So we're going to get up and running, get it fixed, and go from there. Sitting in this car, my Ram looks like it wants to eat me. All right, so taking apart the diff and finding out everything that's wrong, we need a whole new differential, new gears, new bearings, new seal, new everything. So I talked to Steve, my mechanic, and yes, I'm in the daily right now. The rear of my truck is jacked up, so I don't want to get in there and finish this video off in the truck, obviously. Plus, I have everything in here right now. Now, I talked to him, and I told him, Steve, what exactly do I need to finish this process? And he told me, he was like, you need a whole new diff, new gears, new this, new that. And I was like, all right, cool. Now, this is about a couple days later after I took that apart, because I wanted to go, look around and find what exactly is best. A lot of the guys on a couple of the videos are telling me, Nick, look at Yukon, look at Eaton, look at Detroit True Track. You're gonna go because I want to upgrade. What is best? So yes, I did upgrade. I ordered the parts probably about a couple hours ago, and it all came in a good package. I got a great deal for it. A great deal. All brand new stuff, obviously. Great deal, great package. And it came with everything. Gears, bearings, sealant, everything, plus the diff. And I don't want to spoil exactly what I got, because that'll be here within a couple of days, and I'll do an unboxing, and I'll show you everything that we got for the Ram. Now, I talked to my man. I'm hoping we can get this done this weekend. I'm really hoping. I'm not too sure, because he is working, and I don't know what days he's working. He works like every other weekend. He does this on this, he comes to my house. Obviously, he's coming to my house. He's doing it in the driveway, and then I think I have to take it to him somehow to press it. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know exactly the whole process in this. I'm hoping that we can get most of this done. If I have to tow it to him, I will. That is not a problem. I'll get it towed to him, because he knows everything that has to be done. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know. I just know that I want to try and get it done as fast as possible, because I want to get back to the track. I like I said, I love the new daily, but I want the Ram back. I want to be doing content in the Ram. I want to get my truck back, and I want to get it up and running. I want to go racing. I got a lot of car things coming up, meets, a lot of stuff. And with the Ram down, going to them in my 15-year-old Lexus is not really what I'm planning on doing. I don't even know if I want to do that. I may roll with someone else. But yeah, I want my Ram back. The Ram it's everything. It's everything it has to do with this channel. So yeah, I'm going to talk to him, see when we can get this going. Maybe possibly this weekend. But that is the process we're going through right now. Whole new diff, everything involved in it is ordered, ready to go. So we're gonna go from there and see what we can do. And supposedly what I ordered is an upgrade. That's what looking into it's a much better upgrade than the Mopar, because I didn't go with Mopar. I went with something a little So what I'm hearing, a little stronger, a little better, and it's definitely better than the Mopar LSD, which is still a great limited slip. I loved it, but I noticed in, like I said, a couple old videos, I was spinning one wheel at times, and then it would kick in, and then a couple times it wouldn't. Everyone's like, Nick, you have open diff. I'm like, no, I got a limited slip, and a couple in the videos it would work perfectly, and then again it wouldn't work. So I went with something different, especially for the amount of torque and the amount of power that I'm going to be launching off the line. I want everything to be hook, dead hook, go. Because I'm glad, I'm not saying I'm glad I wanted to race last week, but it was 100 degrees almost every day, so it wouldn't have been the greatest runs. But now that I can get the best runs in the Ram, going to the track and be fully prepped at all times and be ready, I don't have to worry about anything else. So we're going to get the Ram fully prepped, get to the track, get some great videos. I got a lot of good racing videos coming up to show you guys, a lot. So I'm excited to get on that, and I'm hoping we can get this all up and running as soon as possible. And that's what it is. All right, guys, till the next one. Peace.